Hi, everybody. Welcome to our 2025 Advent celebration. We are so excited to be here. Every day we're going to post out a new video to watch. But if you want to craft along with the exact templates and digital papers that are featured in our crafts for the next 24 days, you can grab our Advent celebration pack. You can find the link in the description below. All right, so let's get on to crafting.
Today we are going to be making a simple snow globe card. This is fairly simple. We're just going to use a few pieces of the digital paper that comes with this particular project, and then we're going to add a couple of things. I've got this little half dome, but you could use anything that you want. I went to the dollar store and I found these reindeer trees, presents, and Santas that we can use. You could use something else if you wanted to fill up that little half dome. And then just another couple of pieces of the digital paper. If you prefer, you can use a plain cardstock and do almost exactly the same thing. I prefer to use the digital paper because they are so gorgeous. Now, a couple of things that we have to do here. This comes with a little tab on the side. So I am actually going to cut that right off, just like that. It's a little bit sharp on the side. So I'm just going to take a plain, ordinary nail file here just to smooth it off so there is no injury when we get to put this thing together. That's pretty smooth. I'm going to keep this part at the bottom. All right, what I've done is I've made a card approximately 5 inches wide at the front. So this makes it 10, 9.5, 10 will work. And then just simply fold it in half. I used the darker colored digital paper because I want my snow globe to stand out. The next thing I want to do is make a triangle of one of the other digital papers. What I want to do is match it and make it even across the bottom. So that's a cube piece here. And I'm just going to glue this little triangle at the bottom. This is going to form the base. Just a minute, let me get it up here so you can see it through the base. Bring this down here, and then I'm going to line it up at the bottom. Try to get it as centered as possible. Perfect. Now, I'm not going to cut a little groove. I want this to be simple and something easy enough that you can make. Now, I made this little piece to go across the top, but I think it should be a little bit wider. And I used this one that had the bubbles across it. So what I need to do is take this and make a little mark as to how wide I would like it to be. You see the little mark there. And this time I'm just going to use my scissors instead of the cutter. And I'm just going to cut across. Use a little bit of my digital paper. Now, as far as how I want this across here, so I want this to come across like it's little snowflakes or giant snowflakes. So I'm just going to give this a little bend as to where I want to cut it. And just, even if it's a little bit shorter, there we go. Get rid of the extra pieces. So what I want to do now is just place this over top. So now you can see I've got this little stand. I'm not cutting holes in my paper, making circles so that it stands out. I just want it to be fairly simple. Now you can use anything you want for the bottom or anything for this color. So the big thing is you want to glue this in place like it is the snow globe. And at the same time, you want to be able to fill it. So I'm going to show you a little trick. Move this to the side. I'm going to turn this over. And I'm going to grab some trees and deers. You can put anything you want in here. I just like these little components here. You could cut out little presents, put those in. I tested one with a little present, and as you can see it here, you can have presents in the back with a little snow inside if you wanted. I'm going to do this one a little differently because I love these little presents and little Santas. Those will work perfectly. Get those out of the way. Now, the biggest trick is I have to glue this onto the card, but I don't want to move the card into the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just dots of glue here. This is to set the placeholder. So it's not perfect, but I want to make sure I've got my little rough edge here. My little rough edge is at the bottom. So what I want to do is I can see the rough edge here, and I'm going to approximate, put little fingers in there. Unfortunately, you're going to have to lean down and try and get it as centered as possible on the side. That looks pretty good. Now, the difficulty here is the fact that getting it to glue into place is not that easy. So I'm just going to lift it up just a little bit and hold it down. These are large enough pieces inside that they're not going to slide out as easily. I glue the other side down, and then I'm just going to add a bead of glue all the way around the outside. Now this will dry clear, so you won't be able to see it. And as you can see, that is a very simple way to put together a little snow globe. This is a cute little card. As you can see, I've got lots of different little things in there. And of course, the alternative way is, of course, to do something with a few snowflakes and a present in behind. So we've got two different choices, and it turns out really well. I did one more, and I used it as a gift tag the same way, a gift tag with a little dome in front of it. So you have 3 ways to play around with this. I hope you have a lot of fun with it. It is fairly simple, and I'll see you at the next project.